In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your calendar view to daily, weekly, monthly and yearly on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And once you open up your calendar application, here you can see the whole year, the today date, and I can swipe up or swipe down to see the previous years and to check the next years. And now if I want to check some specific months, I like September, I just need to tap on that, and now I see that month, and I can also swipe up or swipe down to see the previous months and to see the next month. And if on that screen I tap on that icon, here I got that mode. In the first part of the screen I got months, and in the next part of the screen I got events that will happen in that month, that are going to happen in that month. So here I can make a short swipe up or down to switch between months, and here I got all the events in that specific month. Here I can also tap on that navigate icon to go back to the yearly view, and also I can tap on the specific day like that, tap on that icon, and also here I can tap on today to go to the daily and weekly view. Here I got weekly view from Monday to Sunday, and I can switch between the days like that, and there I can see my schedule for the whole that day. And if I select that icon, I can see here all the events sorted in chronological order. The earlier events are on the top. Let's toggle it off, and now you know how to change calendar view from daily, weekly, monthly and yearly, and I hope it was helpful for you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.